Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what mode the calculator shows. This matters because functions behave differently in each mode. Once you see DEG, RAD, or a specialized mode, locate the mode or setup key and any shift/second functions. You press a key now to enter the settings. Do it deliberately so you don't skip a menu. Make sure batteries are sufficient and note whether a reset is needed. This prevents losing stored data when you change modes. Now navigate the mode menu using arrow keys. You need to highlight the exact option to exit the unwanted mode. Once highlighted, press Enter to apply the change. This tells the calculator to stop using the previous mode for calculations. After applying, check the top of the screen or the status bar for the new mode indicator so you can be confident the switch took effect. If your model needs an extra confirm or save command, perform it immediately to lock the setting. Finish by pressing Exit or Mode until the calculator returns to the main screen. You want to resume normal calculation immediately. If the device remains in the same mode, power cycle it or perform a soft reset. This often clears stuck states without erasing memory. If you must do a full reset, back up any stored programs or lists first. Otherwise, you risk losing data. One troubleshooting tip: check for a stuck key or debris around.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.